How much can a damaged liver repair itself? Is there a point of no return in terms of damage? Yes, there is a point of no return. And what I've talked about in the past is that the body's remaking itself all the time. So cells are always turning over. The way that we can make them turn over in a positive way is by supplying them with the right ingredients, right? So this is why diet plays such a big role in everything. Yes, there is a point of no return, but a liver can absolutely repair itself. It's repairing itself every day because the body's remaking itself all the time. So see this nose? In 3 months, it's going to be a new nose. I mean, I can't see it, but it's happening because cells are dying and they're getting remade all the time. Your entire body gets remade. And it takes about 3 months in total, with the exception of the nervous system. So everything is getting regenerated. We know we cut a piece of liver off, it regenerates itself, right? So cells are always turning over. The way that we can make them turn over in a positive way is by supplying them with the right ingredients, right? So this is why diet plays such a big role in everything. People that have fatty liver, they change their diets. What happens? There's less and less fat in the liver, right? So we see this. We can see that also alcohol can absolutely cause damage to the liver. And one of the points of no return is when you have liver cirrhosis, that it goes to a certain degree where there's so much damage that there is no point of return because it's just been overburdened by so much damage. So the best way to protect your liver, the best way to repair your liver is really to change your lifestyle and diet. And there's no secret to it. The diet is the Mediterranean diet. And what is that diet? That diet involves fruits and vegetables. That diet has herbs. That diet has fish. That diet has some dairy, whole grains, and that diet has very little to no meat. So those compounds feed the body so it can better replicate itself, with the liver being no different. And there's data after data, study after study validating that point, not only from an ingredient perspective, but also by some of the compounds found in these fruits and vegetables, these things we call polyphenols, that our microbiomes, improves our microbiomes, but our microbiomes uses to produce compounds that can help the body better replicate itself, especially the liver. We can absolutely repair damaged liver, but there is a point of no return where there's so much damage done that you can't go backwards. You all have an opportunity to move forward with proper diet and proper supplementation.